Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin off of your Cash App to a different wallet. So here we are on Cash App on the home screen. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on Bitcoin. So I already have about $58 of Bitcoin, as you can see there at the top of the screen. So I'm just going to show you how to transfer this to a different wallet. So each Bitcoin wallet will have an address. If we scroll down here to deposit Bitcoin, you can see that you could copy your address for this wallet. So I have already gone ahead and copied the address for the wallet that I want to send. So now I just need to scroll up, tap the send arrow on the right side of the screen and tap send Bitcoin. This toggle in the middle will let you select between Bitcoin or dollar value. I want to do Bitcoin value. I'm just going to send this full balance that I can see here, .00216469. Then I'm going to tap send at the bottom of the screen. It's going to give me a bunch of different options, but I just want to paste in a Bitcoin address, and then I'm going to tap on the address again, right next to this blue arrow. That's going to select it, and then I can just tap next. It's going to give me order details. I can pay a small fee, a rush fee, or standard, which is free. There is a minimum sending amount for standard. I'm not in a rush to send this at all. I don't really want to pay a $2 fee. So I'm just going to do the standard and tap next. It's going to give me my order details here, which wallet I'm sending to, the amount USD value arrives in about 24 hours. No fees for this one. I'm going to tap and confirm, send. I'm going to scan my face, and just like that, the transaction has been initiated. I can tap done, and now this Bitcoin is on its way to my other wallet. Now we just have to wait for this to get confirmed on the network. Once I get the notification this transaction went through, I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. So now that I've waited a while, here's what the transaction looks like when it went through. Very easy, simple, and smooth process. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.